Pothos are incredibly popular for a reason, but with so many types, picking one can be tough. Let's look at 4 common varieties and help you find the perfect one for your space. The golden pothos is a beginner-friendly powerhouse known for its resilience and rapid growth. Its heart-shaped, glossy green leaves are splashed with golden yellow variegation. This is the most adaptable type, tolerating low light and growing quickly in brighter, indirect light. Its vines can reach 10 feet or more indoors, but it's easily managed with pruning. This is the ideal plant for offices, bathrooms, or first-time plant owners. If you want a plant that looks like a work of art, choose the Marble Queen. Its striking marbled pattern of creamy white and deep green makes it a showstopper. Due to its high variegation, it grows slower and needs more bright, indirect light than the golden pothos to maintain its beautiful coloring. It typically grows to a length of 5 to 10 feet indoors. This plant is best for bright rooms and creating a beautiful focal point. For a bold, modern look, the neon pothos is perfect. Its solid, electric lime green leaves practically glow and add a vibrant contrast to any room. To keep its color vibrant, give it bright, indirect light. In lower light, its leaves can fade to a duller green. Similar to other types, its vines can grow up to 10 feet long. This is a great choice for adding a fun splash of color or pairing with dark-leaved plants. For plant enthusiasts looking for something unique, the Cebu Blue offers a special experience. This variety has elongated, silvery blue-green leaves that look and feel different from other pothos. It thrives in bright, indirect light, and with a moss pole, its leaves can mature to develop beautiful fenestrations. Indoors, it can grow to about 8 to 10 feet long. This plant is perfect for collectors or anyone wanting to experiment with climbing plants. Now that you've chosen your pothos, let's go over the essential care tips to keep it healthy and thriving. Pothos are known for their tolerance to different light conditions, but for the best growth, place your plant in bright, indirect light. An east-facing window is ideal, or a few feet away from a south or west-facing window. Insufficient light can cause leggy growth, and the variegation on plants like the golden and marble queen will fade. Direct, harsh sunlight should be avoided as it can scorch the leaves. The most common mistake with pothos is overwatering. Always let the soil dry out partially between waterings. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top 2 inches of soil are dry to the touch. The leaves will start to droop slightly when thirsty, which is a good visual cue. When you water, do so thoroughly until water drains from the bottom of the pot. Never let the pot sit in standing water. Pothos aren't picky about soil. A standard, well-draining indoor potting mix is perfect. You can add a handful of perlite or orchid bark to improve drainage and aeration, which helps prevent root rot. Make sure your pot has drainage holes at the bottom. A terracotta pot can also be a good choice as it helps wick away excess moisture. Pothos are not heavy feeders. During the spring and summer growing season, you can fertilize them once a month using a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer, diluted to half strength. You don't need to fertilize during the fall and winter when the plant's growth naturally slows down. Pothos are tropical plants, so they appreciate higher humidity, but they are very adaptable and will do just fine in average household humidity. If you live in a very dry climate or want to encourage larger leaves on varieties like the Cebu Blue, you can place the pot on a pebble tray, mist the leaves occasionally, or use a humidifier nearby. Regular pruning is key to keeping your pothos full and bushy. As the vines grow longer, the sections closer to the soil can become sparse. To encourage new growth at the base, simply snip the vines just after a node, the small bump on the stem where a leaf and root grow from. You can propagate these cuttings to create new plants or simply discard them. Keep an eye out for yellowing leaves, which is often a sign of overwatering. Brown tips on the leaves can indicate low humidity or underwatering. Pothos are generally pest-resistant, but occasionally check for common houseplant pests like spider mites or mealybugs. If you spot them, treat the plant with an insecticidal soap or neem oil.